Watch AI create a marketing campaign performance dashboard in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our marketing data with a simple file upload. The data imports instantly, and now we click Create Dashboard to let Bricks work its magic. Bricks AI is analyzing our marketing data, identifying key metrics like revenue, spend, impressions, and conversions. It's automatically determining the best visualizations to showcase campaign performance across different channels and time periods. The AI creates 5 interactive charts showing revenue versus spend by channel, impression and click-through rates, conversions by product and channel, weekly revenue trends, and overall marketing ROI. Plus 2 detailed tables highlighting top campaigns by ROI and channel performance summaries. Our marketing campaign performance dashboard is complete with all the essential metrics marketers need. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand colors and style preferences. Now let's enter presentation mode to showcase our dashboard. In presentation mode, the interface becomes clean and distraction-free, perfect for executive meetings or client presentations. Charts are optimized for viewing, and we can navigate smoothly between different sections while maintaining that professional presentation feel. Back to edit mode, we can interact with every element, drill down into specific data points, and customize layouts. The dashboard is fully responsive and ready for real-time decision-making. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.